Welcome to the channel. We have a special NFT project to talk about today, and it is called Embers. Embers are a collection of 5,555 burning hot NFTs living on the core of the blockchain. But before we start, I want to mention that I am not a financial advisor. So please make sure to do your own due diligence before investing and do not invest more than you're willing to lose. With that said, let's get right into the video. The website is embernfts.com. I'm going to put the link of it in the description below. You can go and check it out from there. We're going to go in great details, and I'm going to show you their roadmap, which is very important to determine if this particular NFT is going to be successful or not. The first impression you get of this absolutely brilliant NFT is the creativity that's gone into creating it. Now, the Embers are a collection of 5,555 burning hot NFTs which are living on the core of the blockchain, and each individual Ember is carefully curated from over 150 different traits, along with some incredibly rare ones that have traits that cannot be found from any other Ember. Their vision of creating Ember is to create an amazing project that will shed light, joy, love, and creativity, and obviously burn on with these Embers. Now, the rarity tiers are face, hat, clothes, flame, and background, and each one of them combine and make an amazing NFT, and holding on to this NFT will definitely give you a chance for it to grow. Now, I want to show you their roadmap. Their roadmap is very interesting. You will go over here where it says expand full roadmap, and when we click on it, it will take us to the next page. Now, over here you have 10 Ember NFTs will be given away when the official Ember NFT Discord server reaches 10,000 members. I have always mentioned in every single of my videos when I do NFTs or play to earn game reviews that the Discord is the most important place that you gotta join, because that is where you will get reliable information in regards to the play to earn game or the NFTs. Any other platform will not have that kind of reliability that Discord tends to have. After that, $50,000 will be donated to the Red Cross or another charity organization of the community's choosing. Now, you can sense the fact that they have a strategy that they have implemented in which that they have involved the community for which they are bringing these NFTs for. And obviously, donating to those charities, you're giving back to society, you're giving back to the community, and 25% of the funds will be accumulated from the mint will be used to fund the community wallet, staking, and marketing in order to help with the longevity of the project. So they are using 25% of those funds by minting this NFT, and obviously giving back 25% of that to the community wallet and helping with the marketing of it and growing this NFT even bigger than they are gonna be. And obviously they have a funding distribution system in place as well, and also a DAO system which you can vote and be part of the community, and obviously your voice takes a lot of weight in with this particular NFT. And that is why the Ember NFT is an NFT that is inclusive of the community. They bring the community together, and they obviously rely on the community because collectively they want to make this NFT absolutely amazing. And they have also a feature of staking. You will not only be earning from holding on to the NFT, and the price of the NFT will be going up. We've seen loads of different NFTs that have blown up so massively, from the Bored Ape Yacht Club, from the meta avatars, from beans, from the invisible friends. And these are some of the NFTs that have really made a mark in the NFT space. And you got so many different NFTs that are coming in right now, and obviously each NFT has their own potential, but this particular NFT has got that potential. I'm not a financial advisor. I've done a ton of reviews of different NFTs, and you can check them out on my channel, The Educational Network, and obviously you'll get a good idea of what NFTs are about and which NFTs are going to be massive. And there's a lot of collaboration that they're doing as well with a lot of different organizations that are working in the NFT space, and obviously collective collaborations and strong collaboration can actually help NFTs to blow up even further. There'll be airdrops and so much more that will be available with this NFT, and getting involved with it will give you a chance to be a part of it. And that is what makes this NFT such a brilliant NFT. Now, as I scroll down and after the roadmap, there are frequently asked questions that how much is one Ember NFT is going to be? The whitelist, the fire sale members may mint an Ember for 0.1 Ethereum, and the public sale will be a Dutch auction that will decrease from a maximum of 0.3 Ethereum to a minimum of 0.15 Ethereum. And how many Embers are there? There are 5,555 total Embers, and the first sale mint is going to be on the 26th of March at 7 p.m. and the public sale mint is going to be on the 27th of March at 7 p.m. UTC. And obviously their lit list is almost filled up. However, you can obtain it by becoming an engaging and positive Ember. And obviously you can actually get 1 Ember in the fire sale and 2 Embers in the standard sales. And obviously you'll be getting staking and giveaways and charities and DAOs and airdrops and collaborations and whitelisting for the upcoming projects. And a step-by-step guide will be available, as well as a video guide when the mint date actually gets closer. And obviously you got a DM saying pre-sale starting. Is that real? No, their staff will never DM you first. And the team behind this amazing NFT is absolutely brilliant. You got Ogami, who's the founder, Paragon, the community lead, Etha, the marketing director, and Toji, who is the developer. These individuals have been working with massive names in the industries, and obviously they're bringing something very unique. I want to show you their Twitter handle. You'll click over here and the Twitter is going to be open, and when you go to the Twitter, you will see that they have 32,700 followers. And as I scroll down, you can sense the engagement that they tend to have with their members. And obviously any successful NFT needs to have extremely good engagement, and actually having that engagement enables that NFT to grow and the individuals to have a sense how great this particular NFT is going to be. The second place I want to show you guys is their Instagram, and I click on it, it will take you to the Instagram. They have 2,088 followers, and obviously their particular NFTs is so amazing. Now each NFT has a character for itself, and owning this particular NFT will give you a chance to actually become a part of this journey of the Embers. And obviously becoming a part of their journey, you will have a chance to actually see them grow, and seeing them grow, you will be able to actually turn and your investment into something substantial. Because this NFT, and by looking at it, by understanding the creativity and artistic approach that they have and the strategy that they're using to bring this NFT to the market and helping this NFT to grow, that they actually have got the potential to make it massively. And obviously any NFT that has this kind of potential is going to be something to look out for. So mark these dates on your calendar. These dates are going to be something that you will look forward to. The 26th of March and the 27th of March is that date. So lock it down. And guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon so you do not miss any of the videos that I'm making on these amazing NFTs. If you got any question, you can drop me a message on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is available in the About Us section of my channel, The Educational Network. You can message me in the comment section below on YouTube as well. Stay tuned for my next video. Until then, take care. Allah Hafiz.